In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify and remove bots from Google Analytics 4. Bot traffic can inflate your numbers, skew key metrics, and make it harder to make sound decisions. Let's walk through how to spot suspicious activity and then block it at the source using GA4's built-in options. First, open Google Analytics and head into your property. Before you remove anything, take a moment to confirm the traffic is actually malicious. Look for red flags like sudden spikes in users without a matching marketing push, sessions with near zero engagement time, unusually high bounce behavior, or traffic clustered from unexpected countries. Check acquisition reports for odd referrers and channels, and glance at tech details for patterns that don't look like real browsers. If the anomalies are narrow, say a handful of visits repeating the same behavior, you may be dealing with a specific bot. If you've identified a particular bot's IP address, you can block it with a filter. This works best when the IP is fixed or falls within a known range. Keep in mind, some bots rotate IPs, so results can vary. Now let's set up the exclusion. In the left sidebar of GA4, click Admin. Under the Property column, choose Data Collection and Modification. Next, open Data Streams and select the web data stream that's receiving the bot traffic. Inside the stream settings, click Configure Tag Settings, then click Show More to expand the advanced options. Choose Define Internal Traffic. Even though we're traditionally using this for internal teams, it's the most reliable place in GA4 to exclude known IPs. Click Create to add a new rule. Give the rule a clear name so you remember what it targets. In the Match settings, specify the IP address you want to exclude. You can enter a single IP, use begins with for related addresses, or add a CIDR range if the bot uses a block of IPs. Confirm the format is correct for IPv4 or IPv6 as needed, then save. With the rule in place, go to the data filters section and set the internal traffic filter to active so GA4 stops collecting that traffic going forward. If you're cautious, you can start in testing mode to verify the rule is catching the right hits, then switch to active once you're confident. Remember, filters don't rewrite history. They only affect data from the moment they're activated. After activation, monitor your reports over the next day or so. You should see the suspicious patterns fade. If similar bot traffic returns from different IPs, repeat this process to add those addresses to your exclusions.